Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the process of integrating Crowdin and Braze. You'll learn how to configure this integration and make the most out of its features. By integrating Crowdin and Braze, you can streamline the translation of your campaigns and Canvas experiences. Set up this integration once, define your localization workflow, and reduce the time spent managing translations. Let me show you how it works. To integrate Crowdin and Braze, you will need to have a Crowdin Enterprise account or Crowdin.com account, as well as an existing Crowdin project. These are the prerequisites for setting up this integration. I already have an account with the project, so let's start by finding the app in the Crowdin Store and installing it. Braze can now be found in the integration section of my Crowdin project. To make this connection work, we need to connect our Braze account with Crowdin. For that, we need your Braze REST API key and REST endpoint. To get this information, head over to Braze, click Settings, APIs and Identifiers, go to API Keys tab, copy the REST endpoint, and paste it into the integration form. Then click Create API Key, name it, give the needed permissions, and click Create. And we are ready to log in. We're now on the integration screen. The right side displays all of my campaigns and canvases in Braze, while the left side shows only those that have already been sent for translation. But before sending our content for translation, we should configure the integration. Go to Settings, General Settings. Now you need to provide locale keys for each of your target languages. To get the locale keys, go back to Braze, Settings, Localization Settings. You can find the needed locale key in the list or add a new one. Click Save and we are ready to move on. To send content to Crowdin for translation, I selected on Braze side and then click Sync to Crowdin. At this point, I can request professional translation for my content or rely on an automated Crowdin workflow to place translation orders whenever new content is synchronized to the project. I can also track the translation progress directly in the status bar. Let's take a look at how the campaign appears to translators. Managers typically don't need to visit this page very often, but I wanted to show you how Crowdin provides translators with as much context as possible. This is my campaign displayed in the Crowdin Editor. After translations are complete, select the content and click Sync to Braze to synchronize the translated content back into Braze. Now let's return to Braze to check out our translated content. This is my content translated to Italian. It looks great! And that's it. You now know how to integrate Crowdin and Braze. There are many additional features to explore, including automatic synchronization. Crowdin provides a wide range of tools to help you efficiently translate your content into multiple languages. To learn more and start a free trial, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.